2026 is here.
Inflation in many countries is above 9%, and real wages are struggling to keep up, making every money mistake more expensive than ever. In 2026, the margin for error is smaller than ever, which is why avoiding these common mistakes could be the most important thing you do this year. Mistake number 1. Operating without a clear financial plan or defined goals.
When you do not know what you are saving for, money tends to drift toward convenient spending and disappear without a trace. Mistake number 2. Falling victim to lifestyle inflation as your income grows.
Your income goes up, but so does your spending. And before you know it, you are making more money, but saving the exact same amount.
Mistake number 3. Delaying investments and missing the power of compound interest.
A 25-year-old who invests $200 a month could have over $500,000 by age 65.
Time in the market beats timing the market, but many people wait for the perfect moment that never comes.
Mistake number 4. Having no emergency fund to protect against life's unexpected surprises.
A 2026 survey found that nearly half of people don't know the interest rate on their own savings account. And 60% of Americans could not cover a $1,000 emergency expense without borrowing. Mistake number 5. Carrying high-interest debt, like credit cards and personal loans.
Mistake number 6. Falling into the automation trap, where subscriptions and auto payments quietly drain your bank account.
Streaming services, premium memberships, and software subscriptions often continue running long after their value has disappeared.
Review your bank statement today and cancel anything you don't actively use, and you could save hundreds of dollars a year.
Mistake number 7. Making emotional investment decisions driven by fear and greed.
Investors often buy after rallies and sell during market corrections, which is the exact opposite of what they should do.
Mistake number 8. Chasing get-rich-quick schemes and trying to time the market.
Market timing is a loser's game because no one can consistently predict short-term market movements.
The most effective way to reduce behavioral mistakes is to follow a disciplined investment process instead of reacting to short-term market movements.
Mistake number 9. Not seeking professional help when you need it. Mistake number 10. Ignoring taxes and failing to plan for their impact on your wealth.
Tax diversification in retirement accounts is often overlooked until it is too late.
2026 is a year where every dollar counts, and these mistakes can cost you thousands over your lifetime.
But here is the good news. All of these mistakes are completely avoidable with the right knowledge and habits.
The biggest mistake of all is knowing about these pitfalls and doing nothing to change your habits. Start today. Review your finances. Identify your money leaks and take one step toward fixing your biggest mistake.
Now I want to hear from you. What is the biggest money mistake you have ever made? And share your story in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, please hit that like button to support the channel.
And do not forget to subscribe for more honest finance and wealth-building content.
Click the bell icon so you never miss another video about money and financial freedom.
Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the best time to fix a money mistake was yesterday, and the second best time is right now. Stay curious about money, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to protect your financial future. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out these other videos for more financial tips.